Hello everyone, welcome to PriyankkaDadwal's YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna do the unboxing of the Insta Glow Micellar Water, which I had recently ordered from Aryanveda's brand website. So without wasting time any further, let's get started. So guys, मैं ये unboxing जो करने वाली हूँ वो नीचे से ऊपर करने वाली हूँ because I find this is quite easy to open rather than unboxing from the outside. Bubble wrap. So the product is here. This is basically the makeup removing micellar water from the brand Aryanveda Cosmeceuticals, which is priced at 175 rupees for 100 ml. So guys, this was the unboxing video of the Aryanveda Cosmeceuticals Micellar Water. Stay tuned for the review and demo and application video of the same. Thank you, show some love to this video and don't forget to subscribe, like and follow my channel.